Over here, we got the F-150. We have the running boards. Well, these aren't running boards, these are Nerf bars. I learned a little bit on the difference between all the side steps that are out there. Anyways, I got these from eBay. I know, eBay not the best website, but we're gonna give it a shot, and for $130, doesn't look too bad. It's out here on the camera. Hot as balls in here. It's raining outside. We're gonna give it a shot. Shouldn't be that hard, guys. So for $130, this isn't actually too bad because one, it's black. Black is pretty cool, it's a cool color. Two, it's 3 different brackets on each side. If you look behind one of these, come on down here. We'll flip this one around without scratching it too badly. We got these mounting points right here. 3 of them. So if you look at the brackets, there's 6 total, so 3 for each side. Good news is, came with hardware, so we don't have to worry about that. Installation seems pretty straightforward, so we're gonna give it a shot. Ready, Ty?
Ready.
Alright, we're gonna need tools. Good? Alright. We finally got one of the running boards done for the most part. Put on the brackets. So like I said, 1, 2, 3. All that we have to do now is, if you look over there, those brackets, we gotta attach those to the factory mounting points underneath the truck. Once we have all those secured onto the truck, these little slits right here, this allows for adjusting. So we got adjusting on these brackets as well on the brackets from the truck. So that's really good though, and that way, you know, we can get the perfect fitment for this. So let's get started on it, Ty. How's it going? You good? There he is. Look, he's doing work with the safety glasses. Look at this. You already broke one pair of safety glasses.
Shut up!
Alright. I can't really see the bracket. Maybe his bracket a little bit. Arms in the way. There you go. Factory mounting points. Probably can't see it, it's a little too dark in here. But they're in here. You have the brackets. Too close to this one. Not enough space. That's one bracket. He's working on the middle one, and the last one's already been attached. Pretty simple stuff. Factory mounting bolts are there. You put your bracket up, you align it right. You don't tighten it, you make it just enough so that it'll hold the side steps, and then once we find the perfect fitment, we'll go ahead and tighten them right. Isn't that right?
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Ty, why are you being used?
Hi.
Why are you being used, Ty? Charging you by the hour?
Not even. He's charging me by dinner.
Huh?
He's charging me by dinner.
Hey.
Nice crocs.
Nice van.
Thank you. Nice shirt.
Oh! What did you buy? Why? Better. Okay, I need you with a wrench. I just gotta loosen it first, hang on. Wait, what the hell are you doing, man? I'm under here. Don't close the back door, because that one's still in that
it.
But these aren't Ford factory, right?
Nah.
They're not OEMs. They're just third party.
No, they're not OEMs.
Hello.
Hey, Cassie.
Hi. Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Cassie.
Say hi.
Doing?
She's in the car.
Nice.
Oh, Cassie.
They still on the phone.
Okay,
Oh, you have a dog.
a charger.
You have a dog in your phone, right?
This is a charger.
Oh,
It's a portable charger.
That's your phone.
No, luckily not.
So can you come and help me?
Yeah, sure.
You're a liar.
What?
You need half an hour.
What help?
Yeah, I need help because I need you to pick this up. What are you doing?
2 hours ago.
Can you pick up?
Alright, Harry.
Come on down. We got the first bar in. Looks good.
Yeah.
The only thing is that we need to adjust it. If we come this way, Allie. If we look here, this part of the Nerf bar is portraying a little bit further out than in the back. We still got some tools here, so we're going to go ahead and readjust that and then tighten it up and put it to the test. Ready, Allie?
Yeah,
Ready?
let's
All right.
do it.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm wrapping up the other side right now. Like I said, all that's left is really just adjusting it. That's probably the part that's going to take you the most time, if you know what you're doing. Grab a tape measure or just look at parts of the vehicle and try to memorize it. Like over here, this end typically is at the line between the fender and the door, so you can look on the other side and make sure how close that is or if it's the same. It's a couple different ways. Don't forget to actually, open up your door and see where you're stepping. That it's pretty important when you're putting these on. You don't want your steps to be all the way to the left and not really being helpful in getting inside the truck. Adjusting took, of course, a lot longer than actual installation because you have to go back and forth and just see what measurements we're working with. Mine are a tad bit off, but I think for the most part you got the general idea. I mean, the steps right up here and they work so as they should, so they aren't too far off, as well as making sure that the actual bar itself doesn't run in with the bottom part of the door. So that did happen first when I got these things on, but like I said, after adjusting, guys, and just finding that perfect fitment, these things will be bang on. That's pretty much it, guys. Overall, I think they look pretty cool. For 130 bucks, why not? The other boards that we're looking at looked very similar to the factory ones that you would get, which I really wasn't trying to do, so I went with these guys. I have actually the name right here, so you know what you're looking at. There you have it. 15 to 18 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab 3-inch Nerf bar running board sidestep black. So I'll do you guys a favor and I will link the side steps that I bought from eBay below. Check those out. We'll see how long they last. We'll see where they're at in a couple of months. See eBay quality, guys. I mean, eBay's not too bad. They have some pretty good stuff and for a very attractive price. If you got a 15 to 18 Super Crew Cab, give it a shot, guys. A lot better than the factory boards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, show some love for us, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay, Ellie, I need you to install that for me, okay? Can you do it for me?
Okay.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pass you the tools.